Who's a good boy? Sit. Who's a good boy? That's a good boy. Come on, guys. There's our new arrival. Hello, Valentino. That's little man. Say hello. We lost Fraulein. Makes me very sad. And there's Miss Yodi. So now we have 3 little rescues. It does do the heart good. All right. Well, the house is a mess, but the yard is looking better. This is springtime in good old Southeast Texas. The mangoes do seem happy. Started this bottle brush, thank goodness, from a cutting of one I had planted. It froze to death, and now I've got this one and 4 more going that I rooted. Oregano, I need to plant it, but I've got a surprise for you guys. Oh, that's my dragon fruit. I got a surprise, okay? Well, when I went to Ecuador, we stayed in Mindo, and anywho, there was a pool there, and you had to walk through this tropical oasis to get to the pool. Oh my goodness, Mindo, and that's the name of it. And anywho, it was just beautiful. And then it opened up to a pool, and the pool was just surrounded by beautiful plants and the such. Of course, you know, none of the plants were really edible, so I found that to be a waste. But guess what I'm doing? Anyway, I'm just showing you the plants right now. Guess what? I'm fixing to walk around there to it. Fixing to be planting my asparagus. Still not sure what's going on with my avocado tree. Anybody know? Let me know. All right, so fixing to take that down. I'm moving everything to the back. I'll give you a little tour of what I'm doing back there. And actually, it's a weed project right now. I started having to mow. Lost my little lawnmower guy, but that's okay. I got me a self-propelled lawnmower, and so it makes it a lot easier on my knees and my back. Yep, that's our little Martins. They're back. I love those things. All right, so the garden, got it back clean again. It's doing its thing. All right, so here is going to be my oasis. It'll be plants, small trees, fruit trees, small be flowers to draw in the bees and the hummingbirds and feed them. It will be herbs. It will be some vegetables. It's going to be filled because I don't want any weeds. But right now what we're doing is this was all a sand for the pool, and I got a smaller pool. How do you like that? I like it a lot easier to keep up. So got a smaller pool, and so all this right here was just sand and on a hill. So I'm working in chicken manure, I'm working in leaves, and I got a lady coming to help me, and we're gonna get the ground all worked in real good, and then we're going to build a retainer wall around. It won't be a big retainer wall. It'll be my first retainer wall, but I think I got it down a little bit. I think I got it down. So that's what I'm doing right now. We're going to be making a approximately 2 foot tall cattle panel around to keep the dogs totally out of this area. They get up underneath there, they dig, they're you know, gonna be laying. They run through here all the time. That's the funnest thing for them to do. So instead of pulling out my hair and wanting to choke my dogs, we're fencing this area all in. And I'm just so excited. They can come in with me, and then I can put them back out. So there'll be entrance points. Then over here, I'm making this right here will one day be all just an oasis of plants and little walk paths. Right here will be an arbor. The arbor that's over there that we just passed, way over there, it's going to be here at the entrance, right here. Let's see, you'll walk around like this, and then there will be an arbor right here in this area, and it will have my rose bushes growing on it. Won't that be gorgeous? I'm so excited. All right, so I'm going to plant my big loquat tree that's now big. He's going to go right here in this area right there, give him plenty of space to spance out. That will help shade those pumps up underneath there, the deck, all that good stuff. So yeah, that's what we got going on. All right, we planted these just the other day, yesterday, matter of fact, just before the rain came. That's what I'll try to do. Just before rain comes, I like to plant my trees. And there's another one over here. Those are persimmons. And then I've got some fruit on the peach tree. He's not looking real good, but hopefully he'll come around. And I thought this was odd. You see how the twist in the tree trunk? I need to Google that and find out what the heck's going on with why is the tree trunk twisting. Yeah, I know I need to trim. Now this is going to be my above ground gardens. It's going to be those little metal that look kind of like a horse trough or water trough. That's what this is going to be. But first I have to get all this killed. And then till it and smooth it out, and then I'll put my containers in here. And hopefully that right there will be awesome. This is once again Kajari, and what I did this year is I cut out the inside of the barrel. It doesn't have a bottom to it. On this I didn't have to, because it's the top of those right there. So when we cut that, the top I just turned upside down, and it's got a hole in it. Took the lid off, turned it upside down, filled it with dirt, and now it's got a way for the roots to find their way out. So that's what I'm trying this year. Same thing with this over here. They were just plastic food containers of some sort, real thick plastic. I cover them up because they're see-through, and I don't want the sun to get to the roots. And growing cucumbers over here, but the bottom has been cut out. And somebody gave us some cucumber pickles. We'll see. These right here are the Asian long cucumbers. Be curious how they're going to do here. So we got the Kajari. And here I'm trying potatoes, red potatoes. Those are the, let's see, these are the bell peppers. And these are cayennes. And I also have them planted in my above ground garden because we love cayennes. And sometimes they do good in one spot, not good in the other. These are my fruiting passion vines. Look how gorgeous. Are they not happy or what? So I'll be curious to see how they're going to fruit up and go. So anywho, that's our little projects we got going on right now. Say hello to my honey. Let's see here, the nectarines. Nectarine. They're blooming. Kind of late on the coming out. I don't know what's going on, but I've read where other people are saying the exact same thing. Peach tree right here. Pomegranate. pomegranate over there. Oop, right there. Pomegranate. This is like a Michelle magnolia or a banana bush. Oh God, it's wonderful on the scenting of the yard. This is apple tree. I don't know. Will we get apples this year? It's going to be interesting to see. Yep, interesting to see. I do need to trim, but I'm just trying to see what comes out, and then I'll trim off the dead. That's how I look at it. This is my herb. Oh, but looky there what's coming up. Right there. Stevia. Stevia's come back up. Now, that's impressive. Okay. And so, I don't know what these corn-looking stalks are, but they run deep. The roots run very deep. I got to get in there and pull them back up again. Got a few little echinacea coming back. There's the echinacea down there. Yay! It's coming back. I've got to cut this back. See? It's always something, huh? But, anywho. Yeah, he's a jungle. He has become a jungle. All right. Well, oh, yes. And finally, my rose bloomed. My climbing rose I bought. That was in bad shape. From Jackson and Perkins, and never buy from them again. This is the third year, and then finally it's bloomed. It had like a slice down the trunk of it where they broke it apart. When I got it, I taped it back up. But anyway, they didn't have any more of them. Quit. Sorry. This one right here. Look, this is what they do. They play at your feet. Ugh. Ah. And then run. Whew. So, okay. I'm going to leave y'all with watching the puppies play and go finish up the rest of my chores. Poor old Valentino. Poor old Valentino.